Siyempre, dalawang kamay yun. Sama. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nako, baka kulang yung energy. Nakakasama na kayo. Ay, isa pa. 5, 6, 7, 8. O, after nun, kekemo tayo. Okay, kemo tayo.
What's kemo in English? For our
You move your hips. You move your hips. Alright. So right after you open and you pull, you go move your hips and move your hips. Oh, try natin. 5, 6, 7, 8. Move your hips. Move your hips. Dalawang beses yun. Try natin ha. Magkulang sa energy ko ha. Try natin. Dalawang beses. Pagkasunod. 5, 6, 7, 8. Move your hips. Move. Isa pa. Move your hips.